This my program, which is I have already told you, and might be from the tagline of the program or thumbnail you have seen this. We are talking about the transit and crossing of Saturn and Rahu. And whatever details I'm going to tell you, it is all shot in Ma Kamakhya's temple in Guwahati, which is the most powerful place at the time of when moon is low down, and it is called Amavasya in Hindu Shastras. So here the countries which are going to suffer is most the Europe with the natural disasters, war, and America will be the core center of this, and Australia. You need to take care about this, that the both core things, Saturn and Rahu, will be on the side of this side, and Russia and China will going to play a very crucial role into this. And I am going to bring more two programs after these programs in the end of the year and about the zodiacs, when in February and May these things going to take place, this crucial change, and 2025 after February and May not going to be a very smooth year for the world, for the you, and everybody has to take care and get guidance from their astrologers. Keep watching. God bless you and welcome in from the Art Astrology channel, and we are right now in Ma Kamakhya's temple, and you see Ganpati here, the yajnas are going on, and this is today's big Amavasya here. So we are discussing on a program which is on Rahu and Saturn. Right now currently Rahu is in Pisces sign in the nakshatra of Uttara Bhadrapada, which is nakshatra of Saturn, and Saturn is in the nakshatra of Purva Bhadrapada, which is the nakshatra of Jupiter, Guru, and both are very similarly going to cross each other in 2025. February, Saturn will change the position and come along with Rahu in Pisces, and then in May 2025, Rahu will change the placing and they will cross over to each other. One will go in the Purva Bhadrapada, one will go into the Uttara Bhadrapada. Actually, why I am talking on this transit so much right now, when this is going to happen in the time of 2025. If you see in the world now, very natural disasters are going on, political uncertainties there. So many wars are taking place, and either slowly it is going on. So 2024, like 2023 I said, 2020 I said, 2022 I said. 24 I always said it was going to be a very good year. And after 25 to 2024, the whole world will go through crisis because Jupiter will become a trespasser. And he will be not going to survive you, he is not going to make yourself safer side. And main issue is that Saturn have three aspects of his eyes, and same way Rahu also have three aspects of his eyes. So when they will be in Aquarius and Pisces, they are going to put their impact on all over Rashis, zodiacs, whatever it is. That program I will give you later on. What will happen now? Purva Bhadrapada right now is Rahu, and what he is doing, he is creating issues and giving answers which are false. And Saturn here is there in the Jupiter, which is Purva Bhadrapada. So he is taking the details of your past karmas, past nations, whatever nations doing, whatever humans doing, whatever you are doing. So what will happen? They are now, one is creating conspiracy and one is preparing for the justice. So what will happen? What will happen then? This whole conspiracy is going to be answered in when Rahu will be going in May in 2025. You are going to see what? You are going to see war. Then we will enter into the Shatbisha Nakshatra. Lord is Varuna. Varuna is for the sea. And then you will see war for the sea. It will be happening through the software. Then we will enter into Dhanishta, and then you will see war from the side of space. And then what will happen? Saturn will be here in Purva Bhadrapada to Uttara Bhadrapada. So then he will be start giving answers of whatever the wrong answers. Countries, you, people, everybody, any fraud, any scandal, any scams happen at that point of a time. So what is going to happen? I am not taking such a long time. This transit is creating a conspiracy. This transit is getting preparing for a justice. One is going to take you answers in 2025 and one is going to give you answers with the action by Rahu in 2025. Aquarius and Pisces sign will be the most demolished sign in this time of point of a time, as well as Aries also, as well as Virgo also. There is mother of the signs, and about the signs, I will be giving a program at that time of 2025. So be alert. Who have Rahu's Antardasha or Mahadasha, Jupiter's Dasha or Mahadasha, Ketu's Mahadasha or Antardasha, Saturn's Dasha or Mahadasha, Antardasha, and as well as other considered part of which is favorable, non-favorable to these planets and these nakshatras. You have to go and consult with your astrologer so you can get all the benefits, whatever it is possible for you. We will be bringing these kind of informations to you, vital informations to you, and on this transit, maybe might be one or two programs to you. Very soon we will see you again in this program again. God bless you. Keep watching from the Art Astrology. God bless you.